Okay, good morning children. Already in previous class we have discussed about ideas of development. Today we are going to discuss about income and other goals. What are the income children? In the previous class we have discussed about how the different countries are comparing their national income with other countries, whose countries is becoming developed or underdeveloped, or it is becoming prosperous. So in today's class, first I want to start with income and other goals. What are the goals? People also see things like equal treatment, freedom, security and respect from others. Children, nowadays the people are giving more importance for money rather than their relationship. Isn't it children? So for that purpose, all the people should get equal treatment in our society, and as well as they feel the security of the job. How the people will be getting the job? If the government is providing employment opportunities for the people, then only the people are able to lead a standard life. Isn't it children? So example like friends. So what is security and freedom? A safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of jobs or run a business. Children, already you know that in olden days they won't allow women to go out of the house for doing the work. Only they are permitted for doing the domestic work. Isn't it children? But nowadays all the women are ready to take their jobs in the society. Isn't it children? So this is our first point, income and other goals. Are you able to understand children? Okay, coming to our next point, how to compare different countries or states. In the previous class, already we discussed how we will be comparing prosperity of the nation on the basis of their income. So now you see children, suppose if you compare in the class, when your classmates are sitting together, one of your classmates may be intelligent in mathematics, one of your friend, he may be intelligent in social studies. So even though he is from the same standard, but way of thinking and way of thinking and way of behavior will be different, isn't it children? So it will be based on different in height, health, talents and interest of the people. So income itself is considered to be what children? Goal. So for each and every aspect, first income is taken into the consideration. So your total income of the country. Total income of the country is divided by what children? Total population. A comparison of the two countries. Children, if you are having any doubt, please refer table 2 in textbook page number 19. If it is old, it is 19. If it is new, the page number will be different children. Okay. Now coming to the third point. Income and other criteria. What is the children? Income and other criteria. Here they are given the table form. They are given the 3 different states. What is the different states? They are taken the examples of Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Bihar. So children, please refer the textbook for this. If you see, Haryana is having the 78,000 per capita income. Annually they are getting per person 78,000. If you see Himachal Pradesh, they are getting 74,000. Bihar is 25,000. Children, if you compare the states, whose income is more here? Haryana is getting the more income. Which state children? Haryana is getting the more per capita income annually if you compare these 3 states. Okay children? Now shall we move to other point? What is that children? Public facilities. Children, in the previous class we discussed about the public facilities. What are the public facilities? It is nothing but goods and services that are all provided by the government or by the society. So in some states the public distribution systems function well. If does not function well, in such places the people they are able to get it rectified. With whom they have to get rectified? They have to they have to go to the government and they have to tell that we are not having these facilities in our society. If you take the example, public distribution system. Okay children? Now coming to human development index. It will compare countries. Children, already we discussed in the previous class what is a Human Development Index? It will compare countries based on the education levels of the people, their health status and per capita income. Everything will be taken into the consideration while calculating the Human Development Index. Okay children, please refer this in your textbook so that you will be knowing the more points related to the Human Development Index. There is page number 22 if you are having old textbooks children. For instance, Human Development Report published by United Nations Development Program. In short form, it is also known as UNDP. Comparing the countries based on the education levels of the people, their health status and per capita income. Everything is to be taken into consideration while calculating the it is the main aim of the Human Development Indication to take this all into the consideration. Next, children, coming to development as progress over time. At the time of Indian independence, like most other states in India, Himachal Pradesh had very low level of education. But later, the government started schools and made sure that education was largely free of cost or very little for parents. Generally, you see children, Himachal Pradesh is a very rural state where they are not able to get any educational facilities in that state. But what happened? The government has taken special interest to develop the Himachal Pradesh and started the schools and started giving education to the children. The teachers are also very keen to teach their children. All the children are very interested to listen the teacher classes. They are lovable. The teachers are lovable to their children. So the dropouts are very less in the Himachal Pradesh. That is the reason when you compare with the other states, Himachal Pradesh is having the more literacy rate when you compare with all other countries, all other states. So children, here clearly there has been greater development in schooling and spread of education in Himachal Pradesh than India as a whole. Though there is still difference in the average levels of education among boys and girls. Here children, one more point that in the Himachal Pradesh, the parents are not showing any gender differences between the boy and girl or male or female. They are giving equal importance for boy or girl. So that is the reason in the Himachal Pradesh, most of the children are educated when you are compared with other states. Okay, thank you children.